As some of you know, I am acting in a play in Sierra Madre, California, and I am staying in a cabin at the base of the mountains. Sierra Madre is a lovely community that sits just at the base of these tall, steep mountains. I hope to be able to show you some of the community while I'm doing the play, which is opening next Friday, April 20th, and running through May 26th. Because when you do a play, there's a beginning and an end, and you come together, you have a marvelous experience with hopefully wonderful people, and I am working with wonderful people. And then it's over. The run finishes and the play ends, and that's an experience for the memory books. But I'm not forgetting my late bloomer fans. Before I left, I went around the garden and filmed everything that was blooming. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, relax, and see what's blooming.
I have never seen this bush so incredible, and I just realized it's because this is the first year that it hasn't been shadowed by that big tree that my neighbor took out. The bees love this.
I wish you all could see me in this play. I play a Texas banker's wife from 1909 to 1942, and I wish you could see it. But our union does not allow the filming of live theater, so unless you are present, you won't get to see it. But you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Kaye Kittrell and catch some of the outtakes and pictures that we shoot and some of the fun we're having behind the scenes. I realize some of you are not on Instagram and Facebook, so go to my channel homepage, click the community tab, and you will find my latest updates and photos. As a matter of fact, I go back to the doctor tomorrow for a reevaluation of my shoulder, and I'll be posting whatever he says and the x-ray on my community page. Wish me luck. Wish me luck with my shoulder and the play. But don't say break a leg, because thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos. Don't forget to set that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.